So next time we have to do same, because when it's parked there, the camera is not recording, because now it's connected to the satellite.
How about the 181?
It's already okay.
Now good?
Yes.
Function?
Yeah, function.
What is the problem?
I don't know exactly, but when I leave it on charge for 10 minutes,
Okay.
and then automatically comes on.
Oh, how many minutes now?
1 minute left.
Four minutes? I need
3 minutes now. Only left 1 minute.